Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom. First observations and things you may not know. We'll have that coming right up. Before we get into the video, first of all, I would like to thank DJI for giving Valerie and I the opportunity to attend the event. And second of all, to DJI and to the events team for putting on a first-class presentation yesterday. Valerie and I were unbelievably impressed, and it was very professional and very well done. So kudos to DJI for that. Okay, we all know that there are two models. There's the Zoom, which comes with a 24 to 48 optical zoom, and the Pro, which comes with a Hasselblad 1-inch sensor 20 megapixel camera. We all know what the specs are, and I'm just going to run down through some of them here. We know that there's 31 minutes of flight time. We knew though there's new props and new ESCs. OcuSync 2.0 is a fantastic communication system, increasing the range of the drone. There's APAS on there, which I absolutely love that on the Mavic Air when I did my testing on that. And there's also 360 obstacle avoidance. If you have the camera from a Zoom, from the Mavic 2 Zoom, you can upgrade that to the Mavic 2 Pro's camera, the Hasselblad camera, for a fee with sending it into DJI. And likewise, if you wanted to go from the Mavic 2 Pro's Hasselblad camera to the Mavic 2 Zoom's camera, again, you can send it into DJI, and for a fee, they'll upgrade that for you, which I think is absolutely fantastic. Well, we had some time. Of course, we had hands-on time with the product, and we also had hands-on time outside. So first of all, what we're going to do is I'm going to roll a clip of the hands-on time on the inside and taking a real up-close, detailed look at the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We're going to go ahead and get another look at the Hasselblad here. This is just some absolutely incredible technology here. The new sensors on the side, on the back, on the top. And then we'll take a look at the zoom here. Take a look at that camera. DJI's packing some incredible features in these. Technology is out of this world.
I noticed they did that on the Air, so I hope that they will do that on the I think they did on the Air. It's a adapter. It goes so small you like put it in your bag.
Absolutely fantastic. DJI's did a home run on these guys. That was a great clip. I hope you guys, I try to get as close as possible so you could see the detail, you know, the underside of the drone itself with the new sensors on it, on the top, on the sides. You know, a lot of it looks familiar, but a lot of it is just brand new technology. The other thing is we also had the opportunity to go outside, and a lot of people chose to fly them. Let's go ahead and roll that clip right now so you can see them with an unbelievable background. Just incredible background here with Brooklyn Bridge, Manhattan skyline. Can't pass that up. It's the Mavic Pro 2 in action here.
Actually, just posted that. Go to BillTheDroneReviewer.com or
That was absolutely fantastic. Having the Brooklyn Bridge in the background, from what I found out, Hey Kestelou from Drone DJ, who I had the opportunity to meet at the event, he said that they had to pull a lot of strings for us to be able to fly. DJI did with the city of New York. As you know, probably technically the river is city of New York and not Brooklyn, so they had to get permission from New York City to be able to fly it. So kudos to DJI for doing that. One thing that I can tell you, I've listened to all of DJI's drones, including an Inspire 1, and I can tell you this, by far and away, that is one of the quietest drones that DJI has come out with, and that includes, you know, the Platinum, which was heralded for its, you know, noise reduction capabilities. New propellers and new ESCs take care of that. It really was very quiet, and I think you probably heard that if in the clip right there. So okay, so Bill, what are some things that you may not know as far as the drones are concerned? Well, there's not everything's been revealed, but there are some things there that I thought I haven't seen a lot of people go over that I wanted to bring up. Now, the first thing is, as far as the sensors are concerned, the right to left sensors are only going to work in active track or tracking mode, and this is in the manual, and I'm going to put that slide up on the screen right now for you guys to see that. So it's clearly stated in the manual that that's the only way that it works is in those modes, okay? Number two, one of the things that I noticed, and I'm going to put this slide up on the screen, and unfortunately I didn't get an opportunity to get a video of it, is the remote control. Now the remote control itself, looking at it, it is almost identical to the one from before. But the one thing that really kind of stood out to me was there is a grill on the front, and you can see there's a picture that I have up on the screen right now that shows that grill. Now that grill, there's a purpose behind that grill. Remember, we've gone to the new OcuSync 2.0, and if you looked at the controller for the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, it had a grill on it as well, and I fully believe that that is intended for ventilation purposes, and I think that's the same thing here as far as that's concerned, okay? Number three, the Mavic 2 series can take up to 128 gigabyte SD card, which is fantastic. And again, they'll throw that slide up on the screen so you can see that. They have recommended SD cards. And by the way, what I'm going to do is I'll throw a link in the description. It has the PDFs for all the manuals from DJI and the tutorials that are out there. It's a very valuable resource, so you guys can go ahead and click on that. And the last thing is, you know how I had talked about the FCC grant ID, and that's one thing that I kept harping on. Well, the FCC grant ID for the Mavic Air and also for the Spark happened on the day of the event. Well, guess what? The FCC grant ID for the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom happened on August 23rd, 2018. I'm going to throw that up on the slide right now. We're going to close a little differently today. I had the opportunity to go ahead and film something right in front of the screen as it was playing, and the screen, obviously, it was shots from the Mavic 2, both the Pro and the Zoom. So we're going to go ahead and roll that right now. Well, this kind of wraps things up here today. We had an absolutely wonderful time, and it has been a fantastic day. DJI, once again, they set the gold bar. They set the standard. They're the standard bearer. And we're looking, at just an incredible platform, whether you get the Zoom or the Pro. They both have unbelievable features. And from what I'm hearing, shipping is going to be ultra fast on this. So when they come out, be sure to be watching BillTheDroneReviewer. We're going to get some great media out there for you guys. We're going to get an unboxing, a setup, flight videos, and I'm going to put it through its paces. We're going to get it out there and get it tested thoroughly for you guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate all you guys have done. We're continuing to grow like crazy. Please share. Please let everybody know about it. Thanks so much, and happy flying.